Hey UCR Highlanders, my name is Brooke Lieberwitz and I'll be your mixologist today. We're gonna be creating the Highlander Halo Pisco Sour, which is gonna feature juice from our Halo Tango mandarins invented right at UCR. Let's get started. So for my tools, I'm gonna be using my cocktail shaker here, but you can use a mason jar just as well. A cocktail strainer, but the lid on the mason jar works great as well. And to measure my ingredients, I'm gonna be using a jigger, but you can use a tablespoon, which equals ½ ounce, and you can do the math along with me. And then, of course, I'm gonna have my cocktail glass. Whatever fancy glass you have at home and feel comfortable using, use that one. So for our ingredients, we're gonna be using Pisco, which is actually a Chilean brandy. Any brand you can find is great. It's a little bit hard to find, so when you find it, grab it. We're gonna be using simple syrup, which is just a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and water, our fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, and then our Tango mandarin juice, but you can use orange juice if you can't find this one. And then to finish it off, we're gonna be using our orange bitters, which are kind of like cocktail salt, and it's gonna bring all of our ingredient flavors together. And then to garnish, we're gonna be using our dehydrated lime wheel. Feel free to use a fresh lime, lemon, or even Tango mandarin wheel. All right, so I'm gonna start off by filling the short side of my cocktail shaker with ice. There we go. And I'm gonna measure out 2 ounces or 4 tablespoons of my Pisco. There we go. And we're gonna do 1 ounce of our simple syrup. And we're gonna do 2 ounces of our fresh grapefruit juice. And 1 ounce of our Tango mandarin juice. And the last thing that I'm gonna put in my shaker is our orange bitters. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, and 3. All right, so now we're gonna shake our cocktail for about 15 to 20 seconds. And this is gonna give our cocktail a nice aeration as well as cooling down the cocktail and diluting it so it's nice and slick on the palate. So I'm going to strain my cocktail neat into my cocktail glass. Neat meaning with no ice. Cheers to UCR.